your e-commerce store is still using pixelated, blurry supplier photos, then you might not get the sales you want for your products because people don't recognize their quality. If your products are super qualitative, so should be your product photos. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to denoise, deblur, and upscale your e-commerce photos in just a few clicks using a tool called the Aiarty Image Enhancer. In this video, you will learn exactly how to turn a tiny supplier image into a crisp, zoomable product photo, or how to clean up noisy dark photos, or how to fix blurry faces in UGC or lifestyle shots, and how to batch process a whole folder of images for your store. So even if you've never touched an image editor before, in this video you will learn how to master the Aiarty Image Enhancer tool. So let's get started. So super quickly, what is Aiarty and how it can help you? It is both for Windows and Mac users, and it is super simple to use for beginners as well. It is a desktop app that uses AI to upscale images up to 4K, 8K, and even 32K resolution. It blurs soft, out of focus, or pixelated images, denoises grainy, low light photos, and restores faces and generates extra details like hair, textures, and more. Now, why is this so useful for us e-commerce store owners? And it is because it is designed for e-commerce, AI art, and photography. It even works offline on your computer, so you're not uploading customer images or brand photos to some random cloud server. And you can process lots of images in batch, which is key if you have a big catalog. So if you're running an online store, whether with supplier photos or you've taken some photos but they're not just as good quality as you wish them to be, this is where you can add them into the Aiarty Image Enhancer tool and really see how it makes a difference for your ads, for your social media content, and even your website photos. So how does the Aiarty fit into the regular dropshipping flow? Let's see how you can use it for your product photos. Before we click around, here is how it fits into a real workflow. So you grab the product photos from your supplier, let's say AliExpress for example. Those photos are often small, compressed, and a bit blurry or noisy. So you need to make something about it. You drag them into Aiarty, and Aiarty upscales, deblurs, and denoises them while keeping the same product style and the same product photo mainly. So you export and upload the clean, high resolutions versions to your product pages, your Facebook, TikTok, Instagram ads, your email campaigns, banners, and as a result, your store now looks more high quality, it is more professional, and your clients can even zoom in on your photos without looking blurry or pixelated. Now let me show you a few examples of exactly how Aiarty works and the difference that it makes. So you head over to the Aiarty Image Enhancer using the link below, and you can click free trial or download. You choose your system, Windows or Mac, and install it like any normal app. Next, next, and finish. When you open it for the first time, you will see a super simple interface. A big empty area in the middle, buttons at the bottom like add, run, or export. And on the side or top, you will see options for AI models or upscale settings. So I will walk you through what each thing does. We will begin with the most common e-commerce use case. So you have a tiny supplier photos and you want a sharp, zoomable product image. So you import your image, you drag and drop the image straight into Aiarty's window. Or you can also click add and add images and select them from your computer. You choose the right AI model. So for typical product photos, real photos, not AI art, I recommend using Real Photo V3 because it's designed specifically to enhance real photos and restore them with better clarity. You will also see more detailed GAN V3. It is good for when you want maximum details and sharpness. You can also use AIGC Smooth V3 for AI generated art, mid-journey style images, or face restoration. We will use this later for portrait or lifestyle shots. Then you set the upscale settings. So you look for the upscale drop down or slider. And for e-commerce, you choose 4x if you want a big jump in quality, or directly pick a target resolution like 4K because it is great for zoom and banners. So as an example, the original, let's say, had 800 or 800 pixels, and after the 4x upscale, you have 3200 with 3200, super crisp for product pages and ads. Then you enable deblur, denoise, which is usually automatic. So Aiarty's models are designed to denoise and deblur automatically, as they upscale, especially real photo or more detailed GAN. You don't need to mess with crazy things. That is the point of AI. Then when you're ready, you hit the run button and Aiarty will process the image. The speed really depends on your computer. Now you will see the improved version in the preview. You can zoom into details, the product edges, the logos, the textures. You should see less blur, less noise, and more detail. To export the image, you just click export, you choose your folder, and you choose the format, JPEG or PNG, and you click save. Now you'll be able to add the image to your product page because when customers zoom in, it will look clean and professional instead of fuzzy. So let's see the difference that it makes on our website, the before image and the after image that we did with Aiarty. Now let's clean up a dark or really noisy product photo. If you shot your own product photos, but they're super noisy because of low light or high ISO, or you grabbed some images that are grainy, you can import the noisy photos into Aiarty, and this time try more detailed GAN v3 because it is optimized to deblur and denoise and generate extra detail. So you can even set a smaller upscale if you don't need huge resolution and click run. Then you can check the background noise. It should be much smoother, and you can check the edges of the product. The outline should look clearer and less muddy. Now let's fix some blurry faces in Aiarty. Now faces are super important for trust. So whenever you're doing UGC photos or lifestyle shots or just customer photos that you received and you want a less blurry face, you import the photo into Aiarty, you choose an appropriate base model, and if it is a real photo, you pick Real Photo v3 and enable face restoration. It focuses specifically on facial details, removing blemishes, redness, and blur while keeping it natural. So you set your upscale level, even a small upscale can work wonders, and you hit run. When it's done, you can zoom into the person's face and skin should look smoother and clearer. Eyes and hair should have more detail, and it still should look like the same person, just sharper and more camera ready. Now the next one is for AI generated images. So if you're into print on demand or you use AI tools like Midjourney to create product mockups or backgrounds, this is for you. So you need to import the AI art image and choose AI GC Smooth v3. This model is optimized for AI generated images, making them sharper, smoother, and higher quality. So you need to click upscale, and it is perfect for print on demand, large posters, or website hero banners. And then you hit run and export. If you have a large store with a lot of product photos, you can batch import and export images into Aiarty. So let's see how we can do that. In Aiarty, instead of adding a single image, you can choose add folder and select your supplier photos folder, for example, and all the images will appear in the list. You can set your options once and click run, and Aiarty will process them all in batch. So this is exactly how you can upscale, denoise, and deblur your e-commerce product photos in minutes using the Aiarty Image Enhancer tool. You can clean up noisy and blurry photos, even add sharpness to blurry faces, and you can batch upload your entire catalog. So if you're ready to treat your store like a real brand, your visuals should show that too. And for that, I really recommend trying the Aiarty Image Enhancer tool at the link in the description. If you've enjoyed the video and it helped you out, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!